Miss Larson.
Oh, sorry, I was really into this book. I'm Miss Larson. Sorry I couldn't be here today, but I will see all of you tomorrow. And don't worry, you're in really good hands. You have some great teachers looking out for you. I wanted to tell you about a few things. First off, you all should have one of these on your desk. These are called penny charts. You'll see teachers walking around with a green marker, and they might come up and X a penny. That means you're doing something great. If you get enough pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that means you earned a nickel. And then it goes to the next row. Once your entire card is full, you made 1/4, and it will go right up here in your bank. You'll save as much money as you can because we have a class store where you can cash your money into the bank and make some purchases. But how do you earn pennies? You earn pennies by following our classroom rules. Let me tell you what those are. So these are our class rules. Rule number 1, be respectful. Now you try. Rule number 1. If they didn't say it, pause the video and make sure the class is saying, be respectful. Rule number 2, hands and feet to self. Your turn. Rule number 2. Rule number 3, sit properly. Your turn. Rule number 4, raise your hand. Your turn. Rule number 4. And last rule, we have 5 rules. Rule number 5, appropriate use of materials. Some big words there, but you try. Rule number 5. Now these rules might sound tricky and complicated, but we'll talk about them all week. But here's your introduction, and hopefully you can practice them today so I can see them in action tomorrow. You'll also be getting something today. This happens to be Elijah's home folder. And you'll take this home in your backpack today to show your parent or guardian. They'll get to learn about your teacher and things you need for class. There's also a notebook where they can write me a note or I can write them a note. So if anyone brings their folder back tomorrow when I'm here on Tuesday, you'll get 5 pennies. That's a whole nickel. So make sure to bring your home folder. So this period is period 1. It's English. We'll practice our reading and writing and work on our goals. So I hope you're all getting excited and ready to work. I'm so excited to get to know you guys and be your teacher. It's going to be such a great year here at Luther Middle School. I'm really proud of all of you for showing up to school today, and I'll see you all bright and early tomorrow.